to discuss about chapter 2, the tree. Tree, the poem. Trees are actually the best gift of nature. It has 3 stanza of this poem. Now we are going to discuss about first stanza by Bjørnson. It is the very beautiful poem by Bjørnson. Now going to discuss about first stanza. Here is first stanza. Ready with leaves and with birds stood the tree. Shall I take them? Said the frost. Who said? Frost. Frost means winter. Requested the tree. Said now, puffing with glee. Oh my no. Who said? Tree. Oh my no, let them stand. Who said? The tree said. Till flowers are at hand. All trembling means a shivering. From tree top to root came the plea. I'm going to explain the first stanza of this poem. The three early leaf birds were bursting their brown. Shall I take them away? Said the frost. Said the frost, as you know that frost means winter. Said the frost, sweeping down. No dear, leave them alone. Said the tree. Till blooms here have ground. Prayed the tree while it trembled. Tremble means a shivering. From reality to crown. Here we together to discuss about poem second stanza of this poem. Now trees are very helpful to us. They gives us fresh air and fruits and etc. extra. Now see there second stanza of this poem. Flowers unfolding the birds gladly sung. Shall I take them? The wind. In this stanza, requested the wind, said the wind to the tree. And the first stanza, the first means winters, said the trees. Said and merrily swaying. Oh my no, let them stand. Till cherries are not hand. Protested the tree while it querying hung. Now see their explanation. Now see their explanation. What is the wind requested to the tree? The tree bore its blooms and all the birds sung. Shall I take them away? Said the wind. As it swung, no dear, leave them alone till berries here have grown. Said the tree while its leaflets querying hungs. Here is the discuss about the last and third stanza of this poem. Now in this poem, a girl requested to the tree. The cherries came forth neath the sun's glowing eyes. Shall I take them? A rosy young girl's eager cry. Oh my yes, you can take. I have kept them for you, shake. Low bending its branches, the tree brought them near. Now look at their explanation of the poem. The tree bore its fruit in the midsummer glow, said the girl. May I rather they. Berries no, yes dear, although cons see, take them all are for thee, said the tree while it bent its laden bones low. Now this is our complete poem and explanation. Now look at the rhyming scheme of this poem. It is AABBA. Now I hope you all understand this poem. So thank you.